Alright, I'm over here at Chris's house, and we built my car. Took us about a week. Based off of a station wagon I kind of just drew up off the top of my head. Got a little bit of Crown Victoria in it. Kind of suburban-y, SUV-like. And there's this Cheviac for comparison to the two. Mine weighs 6 pounds, his weighs just under 6 pounds with the batteries.
Just a bumper and it's missing the headlight.
And
half the tires too.
I put 83 on the door because that's when I was born. I made a skid guard for it. He designed most of the frame working.
Matches a lot of this one.
Yeah, it does.
He doesn't have this one yet.
I don't have that yet on my car. He doesn't have a skid guard, but I designed my rear bumper mounts just like his. The body mount, how they go to the frame, he designed them, his idea. I got a Traxxas receiver in it. My hood opens a little bit. Painted my Tamiya guy 80s style. These tires are aftermarket for Tamiya. They're very similar to the Subaru Brat tires. They're just narrower. They fit on the standard front wheels. He runs the smoothies. I left the Nerf bars on the sides of the Grasshopper chassis as well. Well, I like it. Well, not the same as his, but it's similar. Oh, see how she drives, I guess. Alright, see how she drives. Start off slow, just to get the hang of it, because it's never been driven with this body. Drives very nice.
Yes, it does. What you doing, about half speed?
That's full throttle.
You might need a new battery then.
Probably. It's an old battery.
That's pretty good.
I like it. Drives faster in reverse.
It does.
And rolled it.
First rollover.
Good. Great. Nice.
Not bad.
Wonder why it goes faster in reverse.
I don't know. Cheviac does that too.
Really?
Yeah.
Real Dukes of Hazzard. Got some leaves hanging down.
Awesome. It handles pretty nice.
Hell yeah, it does.
It's a lot easier to drive now that it has all the weight on it.
Yeah, I can actually steer it and not slide all over the place.
Yeah, all it wanted to do was power slide.
I love it.
Good. Nice.
It is the Thunder Hammer. Definitely need a new battery though.